We are in a different scenery. Can you guys guess where we are? We are... Nalta, where are we? We are in Dominican Republic. And we're literally here for like 48 hours. Basically. And why not? Why not spend the New Year's somewhere different, you know? Somewhere with some sun, some heat, you know? Here are the boys. Sleeping like kings. Naldo too. It is currently 9 in the morning. We are an hour ahead. But let me get ready so I don't look too crusty. But yes, you're going to see a little transformation right now. And we're back. I was going to do makeup, but I'll wear it later on tonight. So I said, let's throw on the shades. Why not, right? But we are here.
So you have to take everything.
I'm so excited. It's a little muggy.
Look,
That's why it's a little frizzy, but it's okay. Hi,
with a
Foofy.
wheelchair.
How did you sleep, puppy?
Wow.
Did you sleep good, Foofy?
My mom's.
Hi, Mama.
Wow.
She's 88 years old.
We just made it to my uncle's. Ay, doña.
The famous speech. Gracias, mami.
Amén.
Amén. Gracias, mami.
¿Qué necesidad con mi querido hermano?
Hola, gente. Feliz como el
Maggie's being crazy. This is how my plate is looking. Some mango, some potatoes, some fried cheese, salami, and some avocado. Bon appetit! Ooh, let's see what this tastes like, you guys. Some mango with some onions.
You want water? Okay.
The mango here slaps. Nothing compares to back home.
Ready from here. Careful.
Ooh, and the potatoes. For a second I thought that was yuca. Siéntate aquí, la silla. Yup. It's so good, y'all. Y'all missing out. Here, I'll give you guys a bite. I won't even be stingy. Wasn't that great? Breakfast was a 10 out of 10. Can never go wrong with a Dominican breakfast. ¿Cómo estaba el desayuno de usted?
Muy bien se votó doña Gloria. I like it.
You like it.
Sí,
¿Qué número le da de 10?
Bueno, yo le doy el 8.
8 a 10. Oh, that's because she's trying to say that her breakfast is better. Porque usted cocina bueno.
Sí.
Ooh, she's shading. She said she gave breakfast an 8 out of 10, and I said it's a 10 out of 10 Dominican breakfast. She said that her breakfast.
Her breakfast is cheese crackers.
¿Sabes que sí, Chabela?
Ay, usted me va a hacer la avena.
Sí, yo te digo hacer allá.
Yo quiero arroz con leche.
Ah, sí, pero eso es.
Yo quiero la
No,
avena.
cuando estemos allá en mi casa.
Okay. Yo, her oatmeal though. It's literally a 20 out of 10. Like.
Yo le iba a hacer.
Y le doy un tip.
Sí, yo iba a hacer la avena, Chabela.
Working girl over here.
Yo iba a hacer la avena, pero salí vinagre, tú sabes.
No, yo sé. Pero, okay. Cuando usted me la haga, yo lo quiero con pan como usted me lo
Ah,
hace.
sí, ella está el pan.
Like you dip the bread.
Sí.
Nah, but breakfast
Yo lo
slapped.
hago
It was
mal
great.
también.
Okay, we had a little interruption because Mavi bumped his mouth on a table. But y'all, let me show you the view behind me. Look at this. How dope is that? We're here with Doña again. And Naldo is out here being a king and getting a 2-hour full body massage. Who the fuck you think he is?
Yo creo que tú estabas bañando, viniste.
Nah, he deserves it. He needs it because he's always complaining about some pain. So yeah, right now we're just chilling and probably gonna kick it at the jacuzzi with the boys. Go, Sophie.
No, only click it one time.
Wow.
Go, Fifi. Come on, let's go.
Póntelo ahí, Chabela, para que se vaya.
He's getting massaged. Wow, Fufi. Klaus.
Oye, 18 páginas.
Creo que ella abrió la puerta.
Wow. Look at this stunning view over here. Look at this. Come on. Okay, now we're gonna go in the jacuzzi. Well, not we, but the boys, because it's a little hot for them. Look at it. Oh, now you want to go, right? After you had a titty attack.
No.
Just go.
Dang.
Yeah, that's not bad. Maverick has been hot the whole entire time. Klaus and Mavi having fun. We finally got Klaus to like the water. Yeah. And Mavi, we had to change it because homeboy just dumped his whole head. We freaked him out a little bit.
But now he's back in business.
Yeah.
He did some chips. Oh!
Look who it is.
Look who finally decided to show up.
What are you drinking?
Hennessy white baby.
He's fully relaxed.
Yo, how long was that massage? Because I thought they said 2 hours and it's been 5 hours, literally. What time is it, Luna?
Wow.
Mira que lo que.
He looks,
Yeah, I
so
feel good.
refreshed.
I feel
Let me
good.
get a close up on this.
I even feel skinnier. Hasta más flaco me siento, bro.
Wow, look at those cleansed
Yeah.
pores.
Flash pores.
You look amazing.
She did her stuff with that. I can't lie to you.
Pocket horse?
No, but I'm just saying his
No,
whole
she
face
like
looks refreshed.
she did my face.
Oh, it was a facial too?
She did my face. She didn't put lotion on my face, but she did like a
Yeah.
through the pores right here, masajito.
Wow.
I
So
fell
it was
asleep.
needed?
Super needed. I was
Yo, I
tense
said that you probably was snoring.
for a little bit. I did for a little bit.
Sounds like a
Oh, she was
5-hour
awesome.
massage.
She's awesome. Yeah, but I needed like I already told her to. Over here, this part right here, when she
And
did
she
my
massaged
hand,
you?
yeah, she massaged me. Muchísimas gracias. Cheers. I love my family. Santísimo. Wow. El presidente, baby. This is getting cabrón.
Este le encanta el agua. He's dropping the chips here.
Oh, with his Pampers on?
Well, he had the swimsuits and then he slipped and he was like underwater.
Yeah.
And he freaked out a little bit. So we were gonna take him out, but he wanted to go back in.
Hi.
What happened to your massage?
I gave my turn to Naldo. He started like 11 o'clock and it's already 3 o'clock here in Santo Domingo. And I don't know what happened. He will tell you the story down the road.
Okay.
I have no idea what happened, but something happened.
Oh no.
She can't get a massage.
I wonder what happened. I'm very interested.
Me too. Where is he? Oh, he's in the bathroom. I'm dead.
He'll be back to tell us.
Look at his little floaties. You having fun, Poopy? Ahora que se entra, él no quería antes. Mami. Hola. Doña.
Hola, how are you? Tantos años, qué lindo. ¿Cómo se la pasa?
Doña always got a story.
Yep. She sees the camera and she goes
she's
on
like,
mode.
a new story.
¿Cómo se
siente?
Muy bien, happy.
¿Y
Very
por qué
happy.
usted está happy?
Porque están mis bisnietos, mi nieta y todo, gracias a Dios.
Amén.
Yo digo amén.
Let's interview the man behind the whole massage table. So, Mr. Catano,
But you have to scream because of that, because of that. Ba, ba, ba,
It
ba,
was
ba.
an amazing massage. The only thing is too, when the massage ended, something happened.
What happened? Because my mom came here and told us that she could not get a massage.
I broke the table.
What?
Yeah, that's the string actually. Yeah.
The string or the table?
The string to keep the table, you know. Yeah, it kind of fucked up everything.
So did the table collapse?
As soon as I got up, and all you heard was just jam, you know. And then thank God nothing broke like the wood or anything. It was just the string.
The string, yeah.
Wow.
I'm dead.
So my mom, you know, I see for Tia, and mama fucked it up.
Wow, they sacrificed their turd.
Yeah.
Their turd for you. This is what they do every time they come here. And you fucked it up for them. You messed up their moment.
Ashley. Give a Doña Rosa speech. Go ahead.
Hola a todos. Hello everybody. Me siento famosa en esta cámara. Me van a poner en YouTube. Hola. Are you happy? No.
Tienes sueño.
Tienes sueño también.
She's happy.
This is probably what he needed though.
Yeah,
No, I know, but still.
They're not upset. I'm just kidding.
No,
They're actually happy that you got this moment.
Yeah, they did because you got to experience it.
Yeah, it was nice. I appreciate that. Thank you. You know, truly humble. Thank you.
Yeah.
So be ready for the beach tomorrow. You'll be in real beach
Yeah,
vibes
we're
tomorrow.
supposed to go.
Fully chilled.
You going to the beach tomorrow? Oof.
Fully
All right.
relaxed.
Record, que lo que sí, familia. So after that popping ass massage, ahora vamos a comer super bien, santísimo. Check out this pollo, check out this chivo. Yes, I'm not fanático de chivo, but I'm gonna try, mi gente. I'm gonna try it, right? So hear this out. We got chivo here, mi gente. With honey mustard dressing. It looks amazing. I can't wait. Oh, and the juca.
No, arepita. Oh yeah, the yuca.
Yeah, juca. You know.
Alright, so 20 hours later, I guess Naldo showed you what he served himself, but look at my plate. So lame.
Like, that's it.
They want me to try goat, and I said nope.
Just try a little piece. It's really good. You'll see the footage of Naldo's plate compared to your plate, and it's
I know.
a sad comparison. Just have literally a nibble. It's very tender. It just melts in your mouth, as they say.
It looks like
Crabo?
yes.
That's not like crabo at all. Crabo's hard.
This is hard.
Well, that's the bone. You have to take it.
Look, guys.
Or take it from the big. That's they put that one separate. That's just the bone left. But take it from the tip right there.
I'd rather have me some chicken. You can boo me all you want, but it's all good. Let's taste this rice.
It's high enough, but this is high as hell up here.
Ok, no me falle. Ok. Yo voy a...
was a party here.
Vamos a cantar cuando yo cuente hasta 3. Todo el mundo diga ya.
Cante, cante, cante.
Cuando abra la puerta ya. Para que te levantes. Trae una tuya para que te levantes. Esta tuya está caliente, esta tuya está que arde. Pero mira Antonio, ven los peces en el río. Pero mira cómo beben por ver años nacidos. Beben y vuelven a beber. Los peces en el río por ver años nacer. La Virgen se está ganando entre cortinas y cortinas. Sus cabellos son de oro y peine de plata fina. Pero mira cómo beben los peces en el río. Pero mira cómo beben por ver a Dios nacido. Beben y vuelven a beber. Los peces en el río por ver a Dios nacer.
And that's all period.
I don't know why we started singing. I just started singing. I just joined.
Foofy, look at Santa and Mrs. Claus. Say hi. He's the one that brought you all the gifts.
Bienvenidos.
Acompáñanos, divino niño.
El divino niño. Vida de Israel.
Público sabanero, el camino de Belén. Si me ven, el camino de Belén. Si me ven, el camino de Belén. Toma, apúrate mi burrito, que ya no me va a llegar.
Mira qué lindo, ¿eh?
Mira con la larga mueve.
We are at my grandpa's house and it is such a cute vibe. They really be going out for Christmas because Christmas out here is till January 6th because of the Three Kings. So yeah. Yeah. What are you having right now? What are you munching on?
Green grapes.
Hey. Yeah, you heard their little, what is it, orchestra?
Our chorus.
There you go.
Our Christmas hype squad.
They're funny. They really went out for that.
They literally didn't even like say. There was no coordination. They just started singing.
Literally, they came into the gate in the garage and they started with their music. And yeah, that was it. But right now we're just chilling. I am stuffed still from earlier and I feel sick because I just haven't been able to digest the food well. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just stick my finger down my throat.
No.
It's the food is stuck right here. It's like not digested at all. So on the right here I was a little nauseous because of that. But fuck it. Alright, let's record the queen herself because she wants to be on YouTube, as she says, with Santa Claus. Look. Look at her, look at her.
Vamos a ver, vamos a ver.
¿Y qué le quiere decir a Santa Claus y a Mrs. Claus?
Salieron los dos, salen los dos ahí. Yo estoy muy contenta aquí donde Pedebel y Argentina, aquí celebrando a Christmas.
Dale los peluches para que jueguen.
Y estoy aquí tratándome con Santa Claus.
No, y que la bolita se la pueden tragar. Dale los peluches para que jueguen.
Very good, very good. My Rams.
Bueno, lo único que le deseamos es que este año sea mejor que lo que ha pasado, porque hubo muchos problemas en el pasado.
That's right.
Y que este sea lleno de salud, bendiciones, mucho amor, mucha paz, que se acabe la guerra, porque eso no es bueno para nadie.
Yup.
Que Dios nos vea con un ojo de piedad, nos dé su bendición y mucha fe.
Amén.
Ok.
Buenas
Let's see the grams.
noches, yo le doy gracias a Dios y a ustedes por venir a hacerme este momentico tan feliz, ya que no están mis hijos, pero ustedes también, es como si lo fueran, son hijos iguales.
That's
Le doy
right.
gracias a Dios, a ustedes, que pudieron llegar hasta aquí hoy y que el Señor los siga bendiciendo y abriendo camino. Y al nuevo bebé, que el Señor lo bendiga y lo traiga con felicidad.
Que venga
Amén.
Feliz
sano y
año
salvo.
nuevo.
¿Qué es lo que ustedes creen que es?
Bueno,
Hembra.
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 Team girl.
bueno, tiene la pasión de que puede ser hembra.
Okay, so team girl. So cree que es hembra.
Un timber.
Ok, porque cuando nazca vamos a jugar un juego después.
Ah, sí, muy bien, muy bien. Felicidades.
Gracias, abuelito. Gracias.
Bien, bien. Gracias por venir a acompañarnos, que por lo menos no están todos, pero ustedes ocupan
Está bien, está bien.
el lugar que hace que está vacío de los que no han llegado. Pero espero que así siempre sea una bendición para todos.
Exacto.
Bien, felicidades.
Gracias, abuelito.
Gracias por acordarse de nosotros.
Siempre, siempre.
Now look at me and this opportunity that's standing right in front of me. One thing I know, it's only part luck and show. I don't know the lyrics. I'm putting on my best show. Period. Here I am gonna eat some snacks. Where are the snacks? I don't know how to film. There it is. Ooh, I know you guys see that party mix. There we go. The party mix. So yeah, even though I'm so full, I'm still gonna eat the party mix. Because hey, we're on vacation. And if your stomach hurts, it's fine. Deal with it later. The party mix is secured. Gabby's party mix is secured. How is it? Let me go show them the party mix. Party mix. Party mix. Party mix. This TV is buzzing.
Como lo había prometido a nuestros padres,
Gotta keep it holy.
Hay más saladito y picante.
We got the Doritos. Are these real Doritos?
Hay más saladito y picante.
Cosas dignas de represión.
Hola.
Guárdate de hacerlas.
Ooh, they have a spicy and a regular version of that.
Procura
I don't know if my stomach can handle that. The spicy version.
como dirías a los
The
otros.
Cheetos?
Así los otros te miran. Así como tú
Oh,
miras a los
Gracias.
otros. Así los otros te miran a ti.
We got the Fritos.
Oh, cuán alegre y dulce
They be busting, right?
es ver los devotos
That's like old school, back when we lived in New
con
York.
santas
We got the tortilla.
costumbres y en observando crucificados. Bien puedes avergonzarte mirando la vida de Jesucristo, porque
Me
aún
too.
no estudiaste a
But if you don't take the food, it's rude, right? And I can never be
aunque a
rude.
muchos años.
So we made it to La Zona Colonial and Fufi is here.
Say hi,
Fufi, say hi. And look how pretty this tree is. It's bright. Dang, it's nice. On the camera, it looks like it's lighting up. Look.
Wow.
But it's not.
Yeah.
That's cool. We're meeting up with the rest of the fams, but we don't know where they're at. So we're just waiting for them to answer us. And then, yeah. I don't know what's the vibes for tonight, but I am tired.
The next morning.
Good morning, C familia. Que lo que, que lo que. I have a story for you guys. OMG, the way I felt yesterday. Santísimo, yo. Oh boy, what a day. But other than that, I feel good. I'm hungry. It's a great thing. But right now, we're gonna be, showing you the doña. She's already like more than halfway down there. Probably Chavo will edit this out on how she makes her popping ass avena. So we have to put the doña up on, juice tube, as I like to say. Showing you guys how she makes her avena.
La avena va a estar bien buena. Oíste.
No, yo sé,
Muy buena.
Uy.
Ay, bululún, aquí estamos haciendo una avena, tú sabes.
Ay, bululún, hace bien.
Ay, bululún, aquí estamos haciendo una avena. Si te tuviera para tomar avena también. Dominicanos, ya usted sabe.
No, ellos saben de eso, los dos viejos, ay, mi madre.
A los dos viejos, ya usted sabe.
Uno dice, tráelo para acá un día de esto si Dios quiere.
Si Dios quiere, sí. ¿Viste? Mire.
Look at
Haciendo avena,
the
panes, me está preparando los panes con el jamón y queso ahí.
Whoa. Klaus, show them the ball. Show them the ball. Show them what the ball does. Does it still light up? It doesn't light up? No? Esa carita. Don't make Dominican avena nothing like it, yo. Oof, I love avena.
Good morning, y'all. Just showered, so my hair look crusty. Yeah, Fifi. Time to brush these nasty little teeth. Oh, don't bite me. Yummy. Okay, now you can play with it.
Here. All yours.
Good morning, y'all. So, I don't know if he told you guys that my grandma's making me my oatmeal. Yo, she makes it chef's kiss. Let's see if it continues to be chef's kiss. But I'm gonna finish doing my hair, and we are packing up our luggages because I told you guys we only have 48 hours. So keep you guys posted on what we do. Ooh, look at this popping ass oatmeal. And we got the pan over here. Ooh, yeah. Dang, that cheese looks good. I didn't know it was gonna be like that.
You want one?
I think so.
Sure.
My grandma served us already.
Doña's famous
Oatmeal.
Oh, famous oatmeal.
That's the secret to it.
Yeah.
Limon. Okay, I look a little decent. Put some lotion to lay out the little edges. But we're about to take our little first taste test on camera. Let's see. Let me fix this.
Shout out to La Sister for making this poppin' ass bread.
Facts.
Boom.
Hold on, it's a little crooked.
Yo, everything tastes better out here.
Fufi, you want to eat pan? You want to eat pan? Sister, this is yours?
That's for you.
No, that's for you.
Okay. Let me see if the boys want.
Right. So I can
Papi,
prepare
toma.
one of it.
It's a little hot, so blow it, okay, papi?
Okay, you like the bread. Bank toma. Here, you like the bread.
Is yours a little cooler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine's here.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Queso.
I'm gonna dip it.
Yeah, he
Like
wants
this, like the old school.
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on.
¿Tú quieres queso?
Ven, papi, ven a comer aquí. You don't want it here?
No,
Sit
no,
right
yes.
here with mommy.
Papa, sit.
Come on. Sit right here with mommy.
Okay, let's dip it. It smells really good and sweet. Let's see.
Good. So sit nice.
Oof. Pop. It's hot, Pop.
Wanna be in a video? How is it?
Hot. Really good.
It's really, really good. I'm gonna have to put some in the fridge if he wants. I don't know if he wants.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna have weak baby. You want some avena? You want avena, Fufi? Look. So your taste test. You like it? Ay, a Fufi le gustó. Le voy a tener que poner un plato. Emily, he loves the avena.
Klaus, ven. Ven, Klaus. Ven. Vamos a comer. Ven.
Wow, baby boy. This is his first time having avena. Ever. And the right way.
You might have to cook that, baby.
Let's see, Fufi.
You might have to throw it down the kitchen.
I don't know how to make it like this.
No?
¿Ya comió? Sí.
Sí. Doña, su pan está aquí. Mira, mira este nene, míralo. Le encanta la avena mucho, mira.
Pues dale más, que hay más.
Aquí hay. Mira.
Ahí hay más, mira.
Es que no puede él no puede coger mucha leche. Mamá Rosa lo hizo.
You want me to help you? You want me to help you? Look.
Que está bueno, está rico, está rico.
Wow, you like it, papi? Yeah.
Yeah, nene, we know.
Look at him. He's to be his cheerleader.
Yeah. Good see family. Good morning. We're here in breakfast numero dos. We actually had 2 breakfasts this morning, but we're here at Chavez Theo's house. Actually, my Theo too. You already know how that goes. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys my plate, yo. I'm putting a little mango always with some onions. What you guys will see. You guys will definitely see. Some breakfast I started digging into already. Sorry, mi gente. Popping ass juice right here for sure. Si eso es lo que quiere jugo. Okay. Ven, let's.
Yo, my grandma's funny. Doña, ¿qué usted dijo? Doña. Doña Rosa. No, she's being chismosa.
Ay, llave. Yo no tengo palabras para empezar.
No, ¿qué usted dijo del jugo?
Oye, el jugo que está buenísimo, que se llama la diabetes.
So we're having jugo de chinola, right? Yeah. And she goes, mind you, she had already this much left.
Mira la chinola para la diabetes. La chinola.
She said fill her cup up because it's good for the diabetes. Like, what?
The heck with diabetes. I'm having chocolate cake. And
Complete opposite.
Disclaimer.
This is not medical advice.
No.
Cuando yo voy a donde la sobrina mía, a Papacito,
Sí.
lo primero que tomo es pues, pido un jugo de chinola. Papacito. A mí me han dicho.
¿Y quién te dijo? ¿El doctor?
Wow.
¿El doctor?
I can't wait.
No, I wanna. ¿Cómo se llama su doctor?
Oh yeah.
Doctor, I'm gonna have to schedule an appointment and see if that's true. Let's see how sweet it
I
is.
love it though.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's pure not what you want. The complete opposite.
She said her doctor said it was good.
Well, I'm sure it was.
For his business.
Wait, ¿usted cree que él estaba diciendo que es bueno si la diabetes, si el azúcar está baja? So, ¿usted tiene el azúcar bajita ahora?
La tengo que tener, no sé.
No sé.
Déjame tomarme una pastilla.
The players gonna make us. The doyers that's gonna be able to pop this channel off.
Oye, ella comió sin querer.
Porque estaba lleno.
Ella comió sin querer. Ese me lo compró Alberto.
Did you guys see the snatch?
You saw that? You took it?
Literally, she took it. Oh my
Ay, Dios mío.
She literally
Ay,
just
qué
took
lindo.
it from you.
Esto está lindo.
Y después, another drunk one.
Oh my God, Grandma don't play. She said, I'm on vacation. Don't talk to me. You know it's not a party without the drinks out here. So sad that I can't be enjoying it. Naked papas. Look at this little D-Rush she keeps getting out here.
better.
God. Wow. Did you see that, Gabby? Father reflexes kicked in that he did not let Maverick go, not even once. How is it? Is it comfy? Yeah. It's good. He's scared. It's okay, Klaus.
Are you having a good time? Yeah. We just got him out of the beach. You having fun? You're lucky you got saved by your daddy. Ah, you having fun? We about to pick some food up for them. And then we're gonna go back in the water. Ooh. Good job.
La casa
Look
tiene
at
ayer, nos
Mappy
fuimos a
flirting.
¿cómo se dice? Bueno, a Safari. No saben que es un nombre a Safari.
We're having limonada.
Word,
So good.
it's really good.
Look at him. He's eating tuna tartar. What is it? Tuna tartar? Wow.
Tuna
Ese
tartar.
sol está rico.
Oh.
It's nice, right? Pero no te metiste todavía.
No todavía. I have to get the sun
Wait.
first.
¿Y tú no te vas a meter?
Claro.
Oh, después.
I help you. I help
Good,
you.
good.
I help you. I help you.
A él le encantó, de verdad, la tuna.
No talent whatsoever.
He does have a talent at holding the baby while he's sleeping, though.
Nah, I would never let go of my son. I would never
You
let
did
go.
good and you still held on to the phone. Doña, ¿cuál es tu favorita? Meli, ¿verdad? Toda. Ajá. Toda, pero es Meli. That's la doña's favorite. And Meli knows it too. You ain't sneaky, girl.
Oh man, see family, we got the cousins doing them right now. On the Dominican Republic, baby, that's how we do it out here.
And this is the New Year's outfit. Let me show you guys a little close up. Got a little necklace. I forgot to take this off. Little silk blazer and like a romper biker short. A little belly and some heels, which are gonna come off soon because my feet are swollen from this heat, but it's alright. And then, like I said, I had to keep it simple with the hair because this humidity is not it for your girl. So yes, this is it. Little New Year's look. Someone is passed out. Look at this cute little outfit. We about to eat some poppin' ass food. Ooh, I can't wait to show y'all what we eating today. guys.
What a
So
messy
this is,
plate I got.
Yeah, this is my plate, and this is Naldo's, as you guys saw.
Oh, messy ass.
So let's do a taste test on the camera. Hold up, hold up. Let me put you guys down.
Yo, everybody's talking about plate. Like, what? I'm like, yo, I need everything.
Oh my gosh, we didn't even tell you guys that Naldo had it bad yesterday.
I lost weight.
Oh my gosh, so he's enjoying today, so cheers.
Cheers, babe.
Yeah, cheers. But he's feasting like that. That's why his plate looked like that, because yesterday he threw up the demons.
Everything came out. All the evil came out.
Bro, like we were driving, we had to pull over for him. It was bad. Yo, this food is slap. Let's try the pernil. This rice has maduros, so good.
Bululu. Bululu. Yo, this is slap. Eso ya es Bululu, this is for papi, ¿no? Como dice Bululu, la doña. Te mando saludo, viejo. This is really good.
Cute Dominicans and their raisins inside the pastelito. It's not it, y'all.
Yeah, it is.
I'm surprised that she said that if they have a
Oh my god, 2 more minutes and it is a new year.
Cuando suenen las 12 campanadas y todo se convierte en alegría.
Happy New Year, doña.
Chávez, yo lo que le deseo a la Virgen, a Todopoderoso, que te traiga una hembrita. Que te traiga una hembrita bonita y hermosita como tú, así.
Oh, thank you. She said a baby girl beautiful like me. Oh, how sweet is she? Gotta stage the home, man.
Oh man, my ratchet side, mi gente, my ratchet side, I love this. Whip-by. Hey, hey.
Adiós.